Hi, everyone. This is Tom Hazard of Feed Your Brand and Podetize.com, and I am here with another one of our series of unboxing videos and new user experience of microphones. And today I've got the Shure SM7B microphone that I'm going to unbox and experience for the first time and share with you. It is another cardioid dynamic microphone, which is very important in terms of quality. Most of the microphones that we are reviewing in this series are cardioid dynamic microphones. If they're not, I'm going to specifically tell you. This one they actually call a legendary vocal microphone, if they do say so themselves. I'm sort of hearing, I'm hearing How I Met Your Mother in my head. Barney, who always said legendary. Sorry, I'm dating myself a little there, but I love that show. Anyway, here we go, unboxing this microphone. It's a rather large box. I think it's actually a rather large microphone. I've got to cut the tape. And, oh, I got to cut tape on two sides. Tricked me there for a second. All right, quite a bit of packing material. We've got a Shure sticker for those of you that like stickers. I've got a, looks like a warning and disclaimers, limited warranty, something in Chinese that I can't read, an addendum. That's not very useful for those of us who speak English. And then a user guide. Okay, it's a wired microphone, which really all the microphones that we are reviewing are wired. So let's see, we've got looks like they've put their windscreen packed separately in a box with a little 3M tape, I guess, to maybe after you put it on, they want you to stick it down. And then they have their little threaded adapter for boom mount. This is the first microphone that I've unboxed that this adapter is not already installed in the microphone. I'm going to need to add this to the microphone to fit my boom mount, because I know it takes the smaller thread size. So now, styrofoam packing material, a Velcro cable wrap, and, well, I do it. Wow, this one's heavy. All right, this, you know, I thought the Rode Podcaster was going to win the weight category battle for the heaviest microphone. This one might beat it. It's pretty darn heavy. It could almost be an anchor for my boat if I was desperate and needed to keep my boat steady. Okay, so I paused there briefly and I went and weighed this Shure SM7B microphone, and in fact, it is the winner. It is the heaviest of the microphones that we're testing, coming in at 1 pound, more than 1 pound 13 ounces. That's almost 2 pounds for those of you that are wondering. So that is the heaviest microphone. And now we're going to do some mounting, and although we still have something else to unpack from the box. Looks like a end plate for the microphone, and so we're going to mount this up on the boom and then be right back with you. Okay, so the first thing I've got to do is take this adapter. Very important. Most people, if you're like me, who have purchased a boom mount on Amazon, and it's sort of the common $30 or so boom mount, or many others have it. So I'm putting this adapter in here, first threading it by hand, and then they're all made to use, like you can take a quarter and finish tightening up that adapter. So then I'm gonna Okay, hold on. Thread it up on my boom mount. And I'm probably gonna have to tighten those tension knobs even more because, as I said, this is the heaviest of the microphones that we have tested. I'll tell you, one thing that I actually really like about this is that they've, well, you can see that's tighten up a little bit. You can hear it creaking there a little bit. One of the things I like about this microphone is that they've put the XLR cable mount. Again, this is another one that's not a USB, specifically a USB mic. You got to plug it into an adapter to plug it into your computer. So I'm going to use an XLR cable. But it's another, what I really like is they've put the mount for the cable instead of directly on the back of the microphone or anywhere else. They've got a cable coming up from the mic here to a mount, which is very convenient and keeps that cord out of your way. That's actually a very nice feature. I'm kind of impressed with that. So that's really it for the unboxing. Although actually, you know what? One other quick thing I want to say, this microphone already has a good windscreen, but a good windscreen on it to begin with. And they gave us this additional really big, thick windscreen. I guess they expect some people to use this in, you know, I don't know, maybe in the broadcast industry, people reporting the weather and are in gale force winds or something, because that's a serious windscreen. I think the one that comes with it is adequate for the vast majority, certainly of podcasters who would be using this microphone. So, all right, I'm going to say that's it for this one. And then don't forget to go to the blog post for this episode where you can listen to the side-by-side audio tracks where you can hear. There will be, again, 2 recordings for this microphone, one for it being recorded through USB to Zoom, and then one being recorded directly to a digital audio recorder. So that's it for this one. Thanks for watching.